Hello, friends. Welcome to today's writing lesson. Today, we are going to be talking about comparative adjectives, and we are going to be able to use comparative adjectives by changing a regular adjective to its comparative use. So, let's remind ourselves, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that we use to describe nouns. So, like yesterday, I used this example. The pink dress has too many pockets. Pink is the adjective that I use to describe the dress. When I went to go get the vanilla ice cream, it was really cold. These two adjectives are used to describe what flavor the ice cream is, and then how is the ice cream feel, and it feels cold. So today we're going to continue our work with comparative adjectives. So comparative adjectives are words we use to describe how two or more nouns are the same and how they are different. There are two rules that we use for comparative adjectives. Today, though, we are going to practice on changing a sentence and changing the adjective to its comparative use. So we are going to be rewriting sentences and we are going to be changing the adjective to its comparative use. And when we change sentences, we always use the word than to compare things. So let's practice. Before that, let's go over the rules. So remember, rule number one is adding ER. So when we have one syllable adjectives, we add ER to the end of that example. So the word fast, it is one syllable. So I would just add ER to there. If the word is a consonant vowel consonant, like fat, consonant vowel consonant, we double the last consonant and add ER. When we have syllables ending in Y, we always change the Y and add IER. That is rule number one, adding ER. Rule number two is when we have two syllable adjectives not ending in Y, we just add the word more in front of it. So more gorgeous, more modern. And all three syllable adjectives, we add more as well. More expensive, more beautiful. The thing we have to remember now is to use the word than in our sentences. So I would say, the diamond is more gorgeous than the pearl, right? I've got to use the word than in order to make sure my adjective is written correctly. So let's practice. Alaska is blank than Texas. So my adjective is cold. So do I add ER or do I add the word more? Well, going back to my uh, anchor chart, I have one syllable, cold. Cold, it's one syllable. So I just have to add ER. So I would say Alaska is colder than Texas, right? A deer is blank than an elephant. Small. Do I have to add ER or more? Small. It is just a one syllable, so I would just add ER. So a deer is smaller than an elephant. Reading is blank than math, and the word is interesting. So interesting. Three syllables. So can I add just ER? Let me try it. Reading is interestinger than math. Does that make sense? No. I would say reading is more interesting than math, right? Also, a snake is blank than a frog. The word is poisonous. Let's count how many syllables we have. Poisonous. So, do I add ER? Let's try it. A snake is poisoner than a frog. Does that make sense? No. So I would have to say a snake is more poisonous than a frog, right? So today we're going to get some practice on rewriting sentences, and you're going to rewrite sentences and use the correct comparative adjective to do that. So let me show you your practice today. So you are going to first, you're going to rewrite the sentence. Don't forget to add than when you rewrite the sentence. So here it says the African lion is blank than the Asian lion. The adjective is strong. So do you need to add ER or do you need to add more? You need to decide, and then you're going to rewrite the sentence, but you're going to rewrite it with the correct comparative form. So either you're going to say ER or you're going to say more. And don't forget to add the word than as you're comparing. Okay, you're going to do that for your first two practices. If you have any questions, please reach out. I will come back in the next video to talk about your exit ticket. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please reach out.